Today in this video, I'll be talking about SpectraCoin, Bitpanda and CC Shop. SpectraCoin is an all-in-one solution for Bitcoin offering and exchange, debit card and ability to buy Bitcoins with the credit cards. Bitpanda is an Austrian Bitcoin broker that enables purchasing Bitcoins with a credit or debit card. Fees are very low, about 3-4%, but not displayed separately. CC Shop is a specialized e-shop selling cryptocurrencies based in Czech Republic and working all over Europe. It also has several national low-code versions. They sell a mix of over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, go to the WeUseCoins website.